Yeah, this is gonna. I'm the cow.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Yippee, yippee, yeah! I love flowers.
Duck.
Guys, I'm fine. What? Stupid flowers.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah.
You're really weird.
Wow.
What the hell?
I made this for you to honor my memory.
This is
Here you
a
go.
paper.
Dude, that was
you
so
guys are gonna laugh. You guys are just playing with me all the time, right? Let's just go back to our place. So funny.
What the heck?
What's up? What the heck? Oh my god, what the heck? Bro, I wanna climb up here.
Alright, alright. Ugh. Phew, I escaped. Huh?
What's up? Yeah. What the heck? How'd she find me? I'm going here.
Phew.
What's up? Is she coming?
Wet.
You guys, you gotta help me get away from this freak elite. She keeps following me.
Don't worry, Brian. I have the perfect disguise. There. Ha.
I'm here. Who the hell is this? Oh well. My disguise!
Boo.
I gotta go. What the heck? It's empty. Oh no. Dude, what did I just say?